Well, we got it all prepped for the new awning, so stay tuned for part 2. Alright, this is the new awning sent to us from Fonzier Direct. I'm sure I probably mispronounced it. So we're going to install it right up there. Alright, we got the top fed through. You feed that little plastic device through the groove up there. Well, as you can see, now we got the bottom pole put on. This is very heavy, durable awning, and so very thick. Fonzier Direct sent this awning to us. It's going to help keep the sun out, and the other old awning had pinholes all the way through it. So.
Move it.
Now this is a 9. This one right here for this awning right here was a 9 foot, I believe, or it was there 10 foot. Excuse me, 10 foot. And you can find their awnings on Amazon, and they have a website. I'll leave a link in the description of the company that sent this and all the information.